and good morning. I'm Dr. Deuk. It is October 12th, 2022. It happens to be my wedding anniversary today. And I've gotten a great wedding anniversary gift from this young lady, her smile. It means everything in the world to me. You came to us from Tampa, Florida. You had 2 herniated discs in your lower back, L45, L5S1, and you were having horrible back and left leg pain for 9 months, was it?
Yes.
And here you are today, one day after your surgery, the Deuk laser disc repaired, L45, L5S1. How do you feel?
Amazing. No pain. None.
That's awesome. We had to work with your insurance company, but they agreed to cover the surgery, right?
Yes.
Thank God.
Yes. Janessa was great along with your team.
Yes, they were. We finally got it all worked out. So she's a great example of someone whose surgery is being covered by their insurance. So what are you going to do now that you no longer have that back and leg pain?
Get my life back.
Yeah. You got a family at home waiting for you to get back to Tampa?
Yes.
Let us know how you feel. Anything you want to tell your audience out there?
I'm definitely recommending you to everyone.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. Did you ever think you were going to be able to get rid of that back pain and leg pain?
Not like I feel today, no.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Better than
Absolutely
expected.
amazing. Yes, it's a miracle.
Yeah, it is a miracle. And you can see in the surgery right here with the video that we tested your discs, and your discs were giving you really 10 out of 10 back pain. I tested that during the surgery with the discogram. And we got in there and cleaned out the tear, cleaned out the herniations, got the pressure off the nerve roots. The discs were pretty swollen, at least the one was at L45, but I think all that swelling is going to go down and you're going to heal fantastic. How big is your incision on your back?
Oh, I can't even see it, but I'm not
It's
turning.
that big. It's a 1/4 inch. We didn't put any metal or anything unnatural. It just went in there and repaired your disc with a laser. What do you think about the laser surgery?
I think that it's fantastic to have what I had done and feel as amazing as I feel today. Like, I've never heard of anybody else having back surgery that could say the same thing.
Well, we have a lot of people here that say the same thing, but I'm happy that you're here, sitting here, saying the same thing. That means a lot to us. All right, well, we're going to wrap it up. Is there anything else you want to tell your fans out there?
Definitely do your research, but you'll end up here, I know it.
Good for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, safe travels.
Thank you.